Hello everyone, welcome to the video. In this creator video, 17 minus 13 which equals 4 times 17 minus 13 which equals 4. Now we have this problem, 4 times 4 which equals 16. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we have to work on the parentheses first, then work on multiplication, and at last work on adding and subtraction. So first we do this subtraction, then this multiplication, and at last this subtraction. So we have first this parentheses 17 minus 13 4. So we have 17 minus 13 times 4. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. We must do this multiplication first, then this subtraction. So 13 times 4 which equals 52. So we have 17 minus 52. So 17 minus 52 which equals minus 35. And this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.